Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and I'm back again with some fantastically exciting news, or at least exciting for me. So, on the recommendation of some of my Patreon supporters, I have just started a Discord server. Now, the idea initially was to have something that would be private for my Patreon and YouTube VIP supporters, but actually, the more I toyed with the idea, the more I've learned what Discord is and how it works. I've decided to make a public Discord server, which will give you guys that watch all of my YouTube videos access to interact with me and, of course, everybody else that is part of my YouTube video community. If you watch my videos and you enjoy them and you think that you might meet some like-minded people, then check out the link in the description and in that pinned comment and join up to my Discord server. So, what is Discord? I know what you're thinking. Another crazy new website? Well, I'm much like you. The idea of new things is intimidating to me. So I've avoided using Discord for a very long time, but I'm starting to get my head around it now, and it's actually a fantastic service. Up until now, I have had a private Patreon-only Facebook group, which my patrons have had access to, and I've loved interacting with everybody in there. We've got a couple hundred people in there, which is cool. But in terms of keeping up to date with things that get posted, things can very easily get lost. And of course, some people don't use Facebook, and that's completely understandable. So I wanted something that I could tweak a little bit more, something that could be a little bit more personalized to our needs. So Discord is a text and voice service where you can essentially function like the old forum days. I've set up a selection of threads or text channels, if you like, where you can talk about everything from general discussion, my listening party streams, music and theory, transcriptions, technique, all the gear, teaching, the art of teaching, getting advice on how to find students and how to maintain a teaching business, video suggestions, talking about games, because many of you out there will also be gamers as well as guitar players, and of course the Guitar Souls podcast. Outside of that, there is actually a VIP, a study club, and a private student section, which you can get access to if you are a supporter of my work on Patreon at one of the tiers. Just let me know when you join up if you are a Patreon supporter, and I will add that role to you so you can get access to those. This is a wonderful service, and I encourage everybody watching this video now to head on over and get involved. I am feeling so much more connected with my community now, and I cannot wait to get to know some of you even better on that Discord server. I've always hated the idea of sort of having a paywall where you can't really get access to me and in a kind of one-on-one basis unless you're paying. I don't like that. It's never been who I am or what I've been about. I love interacting with you guys, and I love getting to know more of you. Most of my best friends in the world now have been people that I've met in the last 10 years doing music. And if I just sort of shut myself off from people, that never would have happened. So take advantage of this, reach out, get to know not just me, but similar like-minded people. You will meet new friends on this server. You will learn a bunch. You will have a great time, and it'll probably help you get through some quarantine. So if you have any questions about this, please do let me know in that comment section below. And yeah, hopefully I will see you on my Discord server. Laters.